Yo, what's happening, guys? Coming at you from down4soundshop.com, and in this video we're going to be showing you the just released big boy amplifiers from Down4Sound. But first, my name is Jonathan Price, owner and operator of down4soundshop.com and this YouTube channel, which is two of the fastest growing things in car audio. If you will, hit that subscribe button and enable notifications so you know every time we drop a video, and you'll get it sent to your inbox and you'll be able to check it out first. Alright, so let's get into this video. This is going to be a pretty brief overview of the big boy amps from Down4Sound. These things are monsters. So as you know, we had up into the JP23 amplifier, which has taken the market by storm. It's been an awesome performer with a super low failure rate, so we're super excited about that. But as soon as we came out with the 2300, people were asking, what about a bigger one? So we've come out with 5 bigger amplifiers, starting out with the JP33. So we call this the Battleship, as it's Battleship gray, and it's a 3300 watt amp. We'll put that in quotation marks. But as you know, with everything Down4Sound, we're giving you more power than you're paying for. So we're rating this as a 3300 watt amp, but as you can see, this 3300 or JP33 has dual powers and grounds on it, 0 gauge. So you know it's not going to be playing any games. So this is going to be the JP33. Again, this is going to be a very brief overview of each amplifier. We're going to move on to the JP43, which also has dual power and grounds. Obviously, if the 33 has dual power and grounds, the 43 is going to have them as well. So if you look at our crossover network down here, let me see if I can bring it back a little bit so I can see it with you guys. So we got the Tiffany style RCA connections. We got the status indicator lights here, power protect and clip. We got our crossover network, gain, subsonic, low pass filter, phase. And right here we have the master and slave switch. So if you want to strap these amplifiers together, you can do that. Monstrous 4 gauge output terminals on these amplifiers. And something else that's cool about these, I mean, you already know all of them's going to have the plexiglass back. We don't spare any expenses when it comes to making our amplifiers. We make them the best we can right off the bat. But if you kind of look from the side, you can see that the legs right here hold the amplifier up off the table. Every one of these amps has a cooling fan, and it will help with airflow. This bass knob is unlike anything you've ever seen in car audio. If you have, please comment below and let me know you've seen this somewhere, because I have not seen it. I've been in car audio for a pretty long time. So if you look at the back of it, you're like, that's not a Cat 5 cable, or that's not a standard bass remote connection. The reason why is because it's not. It's to charge this. This is a Bluetooth bass knob. Again, if you know anybody that has a Bluetooth bass knob like this, I'm not talking about one that just turns up and down. This is also giving you all the status indications that we have on the prior model, like the JP23, JP8, JP95, stuff like that. But it's connected via Bluetooth. So you're going to have all the standard stuff that we have with the other bass knobs, but you don't have to run a wire from the front to the back. And you can hold this, you can put it in your pocket, you can leave it on your console, you can put it wherever. And yeah, pretty excited about that. So you charge it up, it'll be good to go. You got your bass adjustment right there. You're going to have your voltage and your temperature that's going to be displayed over here, just like on the other ones. And you're also going to have your clip and pair indication right here. So yeah, Bluetooth bass knobs on these 4 big boy amps, the JP33, 43, 63, and 83. So they also come in really cool boxes like this. Who else's packaging is looking this cool? Shout out to Jacob Scott, doing an awesome job on the designs here. Thank you, man. Alright, moving on to the JP63. Sorry for rambling on a little bit there. We had to go over the Bluetooth bass knob. A 6K with triple inputs is letting you know there's some serious stuff going on there. Same awesome crossover network there. Moving on to the JP83. It also has triple inputs. And give you a little peek under the hood right there. High flow fans and all of them. These are made in Korea. So highest quality, gonna be super durable. I'm excited for y'all to get these in your hands. Last but not least, the monstrous JP132AB. This is class AB technology. There's only gonna be 100 of them made. I air shipped I think 20 of them in, and they sold out within like 20 minutes. It was insane. I've never sold, even the JP23 is a very popular amplifier. I've never sold amplifiers that fast. These sold out. The air shipment sold out. I think we're almost sold out on the JP83 and the 63. We still have a couple left, and then we have some 43s and 33s. So anyway, these sold out, but we will be getting 80 more in about 4 to 6 weeks. This thing is a monster. Again, we're gonna do individual videos on each one of these amplifiers. Again, this is Class AB. This is a 1300 by 2. So essentially this is around a 3000 watt amp, and you see how massive it is. It's got 3 fans in it because Class AB, it'll get hot. That's for sure. So 3 fans to help keep this monster cool. But when it comes to sound quality, if you're wanting to do subs or mids with it, it's going to do an awesome job. Same remote like the JP23 on this model. The next model that we do with this will try to incorporate the Bluetooth. But anyway, this is going to be the brief overview of the new amps that we just got in from, or for, Down for Sound. I'm excited about these. We did a live video on Facebook. Oh yeah, if you're not following me on Facebook, be sure to follow the Down for Sound Shop Facebook page, because we're always going live on there and doing giveaways. I'm going to try to do more giveaways on YouTube. It's just not as easy as doing it on Facebook yet, so we're going to get it figured out. But anyway, let me know which one of these amplifiers you like the most, and we're going to go through. If you have any questions about them, go ahead and ask them in the comments, and we'll go ahead and make some videos, like a rapid fire question segment, maybe just pertaining to the new Down for Sound big boy amps, if we see a lot of questions, because I'm sure there is going to be. As far as power on them, just like the JP23, it gave you a decent amount more power. I'd be willing to bet. And we're not going to do the dynos here on my channel. We're going to get Williston Audio Labs to do the dynos, because we've been working with them. He's a great affiliate of Down for Sound, so we're going to get him to do the official dyno numbers, and you'll be able to see what they do. Put your guesses below in the comments on how much power you think each amplifier is going to do. 33, 43, 63, 83, and the 13.2. And we'll see who gets the closest. I appreciate you guys joining me. Again, don't forget to drop your comments or your questions in the comment section below, and we'll try to answer them pertaining to these amplifiers. We'll see you in the next one. Later. What's happening, guys? If y'all enjoyed all the hot content that you saw in that video, be sure to follow me on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram under the Lifer Price, and also Down for Sound Shop on Facebook and Instagram. And don't forget Snapchat. I'm JPD4S on there, so be sure to check me out there. We'll see you in the next one. Later.